Beatknitter number 8, week 407. Starting this week off here, San Diego, California. Raindrop marketing building right here. They just moved the location, so this will be my first time checking out the new office, the new environment in which this place is like on this corner right here. Basically what we're filming today is Jacques, who is like the owner or founder of this company. He wants to up his personal brand with some of the stuff that he's doing personally. So he asked me if I could come down, because I do vlogging and stuff like that, if I could come down and help him to film some content for himself personally. So this will be my first time checking this place out since their new office change here. Look at this. This is the article we were working on for this whole past year. Triton magazine. Jacques was featured as an article within the magazine right here for this issue that we were working on. Alright, so this is the new office here. Just getting set up. Getting things ready to go here, and then we're going to start. It's a really short little segment we're going to be filming here, but it's kind of fast paced, so I'm just getting my things all set up here. Okay. Super cool looking office. It's like a open floor, 2-story thing, but most of the seating is the tables and chairs are all downstairs. There's like a couple of office rooms and whatnot. We just shot a short little video that we're gonna edit together and then create little micro content for Jacques' brand. So this will probably go out onto YouTube, and then eventually they're gonna create pieces of content for different avenues of his personal brand. They're doing some construction over here today, remodeling this whole parking lot situation over here. This entire section is all shut down for today, and they're going to be slowly going through each of the different parking lots. Normally I'd be working on this with Mila, but she, her last week was last week, so it's my first solo window display right here. We're replacing these like little displays in the window here today. Basically an orange backdrop that's gonna drape down. It's gonna go all the way to the floor down there. So it'll be the same over here as this one in the opposite window over there. All right, there's the orange right there, in that window right there, and the orange in this window right in here. Those things were already like anchored into the ceiling from the last time we did this. So we just stripped down these posters and then put up this orange sheet here. They had excess rolls of orange, so I asked them if I could take it home, because I feel like it'd be good to set that up for future photos/video purposes. So I'm gonna hold on to it, and hopefully I can use it at some point here in the future.